Hi guys, welcome to the example of how to deposit crypto into your casino account. We're using CoinSpot today. Once you've already deposited the money via whatever method you want, whether it's Pay ID, direct deposit or card deposit, you should have your account funds loaded. You want to head over to the wallets section, pick your desired crypto, and you want to head over to the wallet of that. For example, we're going to use Litecoin. What you want to do is you want to buy some Litecoin. So at the moment, it's telling me how much in Australian dollars I would like to pay. We're going to go with 100. Buy. Confirm the buy. You want to head back to your wallet. And it's confirmed that you've got now a little bit of Litecoin in your balance. Next step you want to do is you want to send the Litecoin to the casino. So you head over to your send page and it will ask you to put in these instructions. So for the moment, I'm going to send all that's available, which is relating to what's up here. And now you need the LTC payment address. What you want to do is you want to head over to the casino of your choice. For example, we're using DailySpins. You open the cashier and we want to go to LTC, and it'll come up with this. Best thing you can do is just copy that and it'll confirm that it's been copied. You want to head back over to CoinSpot and you want to paste that address in there. Now CoinSpot will send you an authentication. So usually you have that through your app or by text. And it's going to confirm that the send is there. So now there's no balance that has been sent. You can head back to your dashboard and wait in your casino. Shouldn't take too long and your balance should be topped up.